Okay, so I'm going to draw a sketch map of the American Southwest for Leaving Cert Geography. So I'll begin by just drawing an outline of the region. It looks something like this. So just get that focus a little bit. So this part down here is Mexico. We'll have to draw in some key features. So the first feature we'll draw in is Colorado River. Why is that focus not so good? Equals Colorado River. Put in two urban centers. First one we go for is equals Los Angeles. We go up a further bit up the coast and we'll put in San Francisco. If you wanted to use a non-Californian one, we could use Houston over here. Okay, so our first relief feature is a river. We then need a second relief feature. So I'm going to put in here Central Valley of California, which is the most important agricultural region in the United States and one of the most important agricultural regions in the world. If you wanted to put in a different feature, you could go along here and maybe do a little shading and call that Death Valley Desert. Okay, the last thing you could be asked for, so you've got two urban centres, we have our example of a relief feature. I'll put in a mountain range as well, why not? Mountain range which the Central Valley relies on for meltwater is the Sierra Nevada. And the final piece of information that we put in our map, if we were asked for a routeway, we'll go with Route 66, which finishes off in LA and sort of heads off up past Texas. So equals, we'll call that Route 66. Route 66, and we'll put in brackets that it's a routeway. Okay, so not much more you can be asked in terms of your map. Just maybe one other thing we could add in is to name sorry, just a little bit unfocused again. So maybe the last thing we could add in is just to note the different states that we're talking about here. Okay, so here, obviously, this one's California. We then have Nevada, Arizona is your next state, New Mexico, and finally Texas. I'd give the whole thing a title saying Sketch Map of American Southwest, including California and Texas. Okay.